In today's video, we'll show you amazing ways to transform ordinary balloons into practical solutions for everyday problems. These simple ideas will save you time and money. No special skills required, just balloons and a dash of creativity. Let's get started with these brilliant balloon ideas. Make a hole in the bottle and in the center of the cap. Cut a small rectangular piece from a balloon and attach it to the cap with tape. Place a whole balloon over the cap. When you press on the bottle, the balloon will inflate. A convenient device for inflating balloons is ready. Take a jar with pasta or other dry goods. Place an inflated balloon over the jar opening. Gently press on the balloon with your palm, gradually releasing air until the balloon tightly covers the jar opening. An excellent temporary solution when you don't have a regular lid handy. Put the tip of an empty balloon on a faucet and fill it with water. Tie the balloon and place it in the freezer until completely frozen. Use frozen balloons in a cooler bag to keep food and drinks cold during hikes or picnics. Use a regular clothes hanger as a tool for easily tying balloons. Take an inflated balloon and wrap its end around one edge of the hanger. Pull and tighten, the knot forms automatically. Tired of finding the right key for each lock? Select balloons whose colors correspond to the color of the lock. Cut small pieces from the balloons and put them on the key heads. Now you can instantly identify the right key by color, without tedious trial and error. Take a regular syringe and remove the plunger. Cut off the top part of the syringe with a utility knife. Stretch a balloon over the cut part. Fill the balloon with hot glue from a glue gun and tie it with a knot. Place the construction in the drain hole and wait for the glue to fully harden. You'll get a plug that perfectly fits your drain hole. Take a regular balloon and cut off only the twisted part. The resulting elastic ring is perfect as a hair tie. A great solution when your regular hair tie is lost or broken. Take a regular balloon and cut the tail of the balloon into thin strips. Use these elastic strips to organize and secure various wires and cables. Now your cables will be neatly arranged and won't get tangled. Take matches and a striking strip cut from a matchbox. Place them in a deflated balloon. Tie the balloon into a knot. Now your matches are protected from moisture and rain. An ideal solution for picnics, hikes, and outdoor recreation. Water constantly spilling from the cup during painting? There's a solution. Take a balloon and cut off its top part and tail. Stretch the remaining part of the balloon over a cup of water. Now the child can dip the brush through the hole where the tail was. Even if the cup tips over, water won't spill on the table. When you cut your finger, first treat the wound with antiseptic. Place a piece of cotton or gauze on top. Stretch the cut tail from a balloon over your finger. A convenient solution when you don't have a bandage handy. Does your wrist get tired and sore from long hours using a computer mouse? Fill a balloon with a small amount of water and tie it into a knot. Place this water balloon under your wrist while working with a computer mouse. The soft support will reduce strain on your wrist and prevent the development of carpal tunnel syndrome. Detach the bulb from a blood pressure monitor. Stretch the tip of a balloon over the tip of the bulb. When the bulb is squeezed, air will be pumped into the balloon, making it easy to inflate. This device is especially convenient for inflating small balloons. Can't unscrew a metal lid from a jar of jam? Take a regular balloon and place it on the lid. The non-slip surface of the balloon will create additional grip, and the lid will easily unscrew. Tired of drinks spilling from open aluminum cans in the car or while on the move? Take an inflated balloon and place it over the can opening. Slowly release air, allowing the balloon to envelop the neck and top of the can. Now your drink is securely protected from spilling. Inflate a balloon to the desired size. Wrap the balloon tail around your index and middle fingers. Pull the tip of the tail through the resulting loop between your fingers and tighten the knot. This simple method will help you tie any balloon in seconds without extra effort. Take a small piece of plastic pipe and make a small longitudinal cut in it. Insert an old CD into this cut. Inflate a balloon and place the pipe and disc construction in the center of the balloon. Gradually release air, allowing the balloon to wrap around the disc. An improvised table tennis racket is ready. A great solution for spontaneous games when you don't have a real racket. Brew tea in a cup as usual. Inflate a balloon. Direct the balloon tail to the surface of the hot tea. Gradually release air from the balloon, controlling the flow to cool the tea faster. Take regular foil and carefully wrap your gift in it. Wrap a balloon around the wrapped gift and tie it in the shape of a beautiful bow. An unusual solution for quickly decorating a gift when you don't have wrapping materials on hand. Create a simple protective case for a toothbrush from a balloon. The balloon will protect the brush from dust, dirt, and contact with other items in your bag or cosmetic bag. Take several Mentos candies and glue them together with hot glue. Place the glued Mentos inside a balloon. Take a bottle of Coca-Cola, open the cap, and stretch the prepared balloon with Mentos over the bottle neck. Flip the balloon so that the Mentos falls into the Coke. A violent reaction will begin with the release of gas and foam, and the balloon will inflate. An impressive chemical trick that will surprise and delight your friends or children at a party. Take a paper cup and cut out its bottom. Take a balloon, tie its tail into a knot, and cut off the top. Stretch the balloon with the cut side over the cut bottom of the cup. Place a table tennis ball inside the construction. Pull back the tied knot of the balloon and release. A fun toy cannon for children's games and accuracy competitions. Now I'll show you how to make an improvised vase for small plants or seedlings that usually drown in tall vases or glasses. Tie balloons to the stem of a glass in the shape of a bow. Combine different colors for a bright effect. Such a simple decoration will instantly transform your festive table and create a solemn atmosphere. Inflate several colorful balloons. Take a can of WD-40 spray. Direct the spray at the balloon and press. The balloon will instantly pop. Hold a competition, whose balloon will pop faster, or create a game of accuracy. Don't forget to observe safety and conduct the experiment in a well-ventilated area.